Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid refrigerator water line union. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water line union. The water line union is used to connect two water lines together. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's leaking and you're getting water on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to take the kick plate off. To do that, we have to open up both doors. To get the kick plate off, there's a locking tab on each end. We're just going to take a putty knife and carefully get in between the frame and the kick plate so we don't scratch anything. And then we can twist the putty knife to release the locking tab. Once you have this side done, we can do the one on the other. It comes off the same way. Once you have the kick plate off, we can pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the kick plate off, we have access to the water line union. It's over here by the filter housing on the left-hand side of the refrigerator. We're going to throw a towel down to catch any water that may come out. And we're going to grab the union and pull it out a little bit so we can disconnect it from the two lines. If you have the older style connector where there's actually two nuts right here, you're going to have to unscrew them and then take the water lines out. We have the newer style with the quick disconnect, so we're going to take a 3/8" wrench and push in these collars so we can pull out the water lines. Once you have the water lines disconnected from the union, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old water line union next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned the part, but it'll go in and work fine. To put the new water line union in, you want to make sure that you line it up so the large opening is on this side and the smaller one goes up to the door. And then we just have to press the water line in so it locks into place and we get a good seal. If you had the old style that had the compression fittings and you notice that there's an indentation in the plastic right here from the nut being on there for so long, you may have to take a razor blade and cut that off so you have a nice smooth edge, so when you push it into the connector, it seals on the O-ring. So once you're ready, all you have to do is push it in until it bottoms out, and you can pull on it to make sure it's not going to come off. Then we can grab the 1/4" line and put it in on the other side. Once you have both lines in, we can push it back into the refrigerator. And we can grab our towel, pull it out, and then we can put the kick plate back on. In order to put the kick plate in, we're just going to line it up so that the locking tabs are lined up with the clips on each end. We can rotate it up and snap it into place. Once you have it in place, we can close both the doors. Now that we have the refrigerator put back together, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, check for leaks, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.